Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix Instagram chat not showing or loading on your iPhone. Now if you are facing the error of Insta chat not showing or loading on your iPhone and you want to fix it and you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. Now to do so, you need to simply open App Store on a device and you need to search Instagram and see if your app is up to date or not. So if there is any update available, you will see the option of update. Click on it to update to the latest version of your Instagram. So after that, you may click on the option of open to open it on a device and make sure that you are logged into your Insta account. So let's say if I'm not able to see the chat or the chat is not loading on my Insta and I want to fix the error, then you need to simply go back to settings and there you need to click on general and click on iPhone storage. So this is the place where all of your iPhone storage will be used. So you need to scroll down and you need to click on offload app. So after clicking on offload app, it will help you to fix the error or box which is happening on your Instagram. So click on the option of reinstall app to reinstall it again on a device to fix the error of not showing Insta chat on your iPhone. So as you can see, the Instagram is being downloaded, so wait for it. So after that, after being reinstalled, you need to simply open Instagram and check if the chat is being shown. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, you need to simply restart your iPhone. So restart your iPhone and check it and it will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix Instagram chat not showing or loading on your iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.